So number 33. How many integers from 1 to 1000 are divisible by 30 but not 16? This is easy, that we just use 1000 divided by 30 and take the floor function. So we have 33 from 60 to 990. So basically this is the number which is divisible by 30. And he's asking about the number divisible by 30 but not 16. So we need to calculate the least common divisor. So it's 40. It's not 48. What I'm writing about. It's 200. Let me see. 240. Let me see. 60, 90. Right. So 240. 240 is the least common divisor. So all we need to is divide minus the how many number which is divisible by 24 240. So the number is this number is 4. Obvious that it only contains 240, 480, 720, and 960. So this is 33 minus 4, 29. So the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A.